Alright, there's about 20 people in the Discord who don't know how to cook anything, and they've asked me to make some basic cooking videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make sausage, pancakes, and eggs. Add water to the mix in a bowl and mix it up. You can follow the instructions on the box. I don't, I just eyeball it. My skillet's poorly seasoned and I have an orange light. It's not rusty. That's why I used so much butter. You usually would not use that much. Add your mix into the skillet. Once it starts to firm up around the edges, that's when you're going to want to flip it. You probably don't need to make one this big unless you're obese. I'm actually quite fat myself, and I only ended up eating about half of this. There's going to be some long, awkward pauses in here and fumbles. I'm not going to correct them because I'm lazy. Oh yeah, this isn't burnt orange light weird stuff. It's actually perfect. This step right here, very important. Yeah. And you could call it a day right here. You could throw some syrup on there, a little bit of butter, some peanut butter. It would be so good. We're not doing that. Okay. Get how much sausage you're going to eat and cook that. Take the rest of it, put it in a Ziploc bag, throw it in the fridge, use it over the next couple days. Make this again. Maybe I'll make a video showing you guys how to make biscuits and gravy or something. Or maybe like potatoes. If you put your sausage in the freezer for a couple hours before, or like an hour, I don't know, it depends on the freezer. If you put your sausage in the freezer for a little bit and firm it up, it's easier to cut, or you can leave it soft, form the patties yourself. My patties are kind of messed up because it was a little too squishy and I tried to cut it, but they taste fine. And by the way, you're going to want to make sure this is cooked all the way. You don't want to be eating raw sausage. That's not good. And the best way to check if it's done is with like a meat thermometer or something. I don't do that. I just guess and check. I like, if it looks done, it's done. I like check the middle, doesn't look raw, good to go. I'm gonna assume most of you guys do the same thing. If not, you can check online. Somebody will tell you. You don't have to use propane, but if you don't, Hank, if you don't use propane, Hank Hill is gonna be disappointed. Oh. Yeah, this right here, this is good. See, poorly seasoned cast iron. My sausage stuck quite bad, and that's why I added this extra butter in there. If I had olive oil, I would have used that, but I was out at the moment. Oh yeah, that egg, crack it in there. Again, the skillet's not rusty, poorly seasoned, weird lighting. If I like my yolk runny. If you don't like your yolk runny, just cook the egg a little bit longer. It's as simple as that. Look at that jiggle. Reminds me of your mom. If you're here for gaming stuff and this isn't really your cup of tea, I apologize. This is for a real specific subset of people who seem to think I'm their dad. But I don't mind. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. Just know I give bad advice. Have a good day.